Ladybug tough.
Come on, guys. Wait until you see my flowers.
Ooh, I love your flowers.
I've been working so hard to grow the prettiest rose bushes, just like Granny Bunny's.
Oh, I love Granny Bunny. She's so granny and so bunny and all at the same time.
Oh, man, look at all these flower buds.
Each one should bloom into a gorgeous, colorful rose.
Hey, these leaves are so pretty. I really love all the big holes.
Oh, no!
What? What is it? Did you see a worm? Did you see a slug? Did you see a spider? Please don't be a spider.
It's not a spider, Nature Cat. It's these holes in all my roses' leaves.
Whoa, looks like something's been eating them. They don't smell so good, I wouldn't eat them.
I don't see any leaf eaters. I know what to do. We can get a really close look at those leaves with my magnificent magnifying glass. Oh, I see something, I see something.
Whoa, look at those little guys walking around. I bet they're making holes.
They are, and they're damaging my roses. How do we stop them?
Do not worry yourself, Daisy, for I know exactly how to solve this problem. Excuse me, tiny creatures. You are ruining my friend's beautiful flowers. Halt immediately or prepare to face the consequences. Pretty intimidating moves, eh? I'm sure those teeny tiny creatures are running away frightened for their teeny tiny lives.
They are, not scared. And they're not running away.
They're not afraid of me. Who do these little bugs think they are?
That's it. I'm calling the expert. Hello? Hi, Granny Bunny.
Hey, Granny Bunny, it's me, Hal. Daisy's friend, you know. I'm the dog.
Oh, hi, Hal. I'm so happy to see you all. Oh, but I see you have some aphids.
Aphids? Where? Get them off me, get them off me! And what are aphids exactly?
Aphids are those little bugs making those holes in your rose's leaves and drinking their juices. Oh, they are just terrible for gardens. Oh, what should we do, Granny Bunny? What you need are some tiny beetles called ladybugs. They eat aphids. Oh, I'll text you a picture. Oh, thanks, Granny Bunny. Good luck, my sweet little Daisy. So that's a ladybug.
I've seen those at Sunset Park.
You mean to tell me those adorable little polka-dotted bugs are going to save Daisy's gardens? No, sorry. They are too cute.
Granny Bunny knows what she's doing. We'll need a lot of ladybugs to save my roses. Let's go!
Onward and onward to find ladybugs.
Oh, I don't see any ladybugs. How are we going to find them?
Oh, I have an idea that just might work. I shall help you.
Hey, aren't you the worm whisperer?
No, for I am his brother, the Ladybug Whisperer. For I, the Ladybug Whisperer, will find all of the ladybugs and save the garden. It is my destiny.
Hal, you can't
Who
just...
is this Hal? Surely you do not refer to moi?
Just go with it.
Aha! Ladybugs are this way. The ladybug, voila! Oh, okay, her name is Lulu.
Nice job, Hal. I mean, the ladybug whisperer.
Look at the little cutie wooty weighty bug. You are just adorable. Yes, you are. But I do not see how this little cutie can get rid of those awful aphids. I mean, guys, they weren't even scared of me.
Nature Cat, the ladybugs are, how you say, tough.
I like this ladybug style. She's so sophisticated and she is owning that red.
That red color tells other bugs and animals that the ladybug tastes terrible. Yuck!
How do you know that?
Because the ladybug whisperer knows all. And once I tried to eat one. Pew!
Look at that! It can fly!